Hey guys, today I'll show you how to attach a sheet rope to a window in Project Zomboid. First, you need the right gear in your inventory: crafted sheet ropes, at least one hammer, and unpacked nails. You'll need one sheet rope per floor you're descending. For example, a second story window usually requires two rope pieces. Then go to the window you want to use. It must be open, so use E or right click and select Open Window first. With the window open and tools ready, right click the window again. In the action menu, choose Add Escape Rope. Your character will use the hammer, nail, and sheet rope to secure it to the window frame. Once the sheet rope is attached, you can hold E near the window to climb down safely to the ground or climb back up later. This makes escaping from a second floor or higher much safer than jumping and risking injury. And that's how you add a sheet rope to a window in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.